Okay, now we are going to talk about what the designer is going to build or what a designer actually do and what is the definition of a good designer. Okay, so the design is basically problem solving for your users and similarly for the business. So design has two ends basically. So if this is design, these are your users, and on the other end, the connected is the business or the stakeholders that have invested and they want to, their goals will be different. So on one end, users, they want the website to load very fast, or they want their product to be reached to them within one day. They may be looking for a label on any product that where is the label of 100% organic. I am looking for that information. But from the business point of view, it might be different. They might want to penetrate the market. They want their product to be sold more to elderly people, or maybe for the children, they want their product to be attracted by children. So these are different goals in mind. So the design or the designer's task is to combine them into one solution. So they are going to produce a solution that is going to solve the user's problem and also the business's problem. So that is the main problem which I have seen in a lot of young designers. They try to create solutions that are very attractive and very using very pop colors, pink, purple, blues, and this is a trend these days. So if you look at Dribbble, I normally think that most of those designs are useless. Why is that? Because they are not solving any problem. They are just showing off their design muscles that I can design something like that or something like that, or this looks cool. So they are basically showing their design mostly to the other designers. So if you are building a product and it works and functions and it isn't very beautiful, it is going to beat all the other apps or all the other products, because it is functional and it is solving the user's problem. So this is the main concept I want to give you, that what does a design do and what does a designer, what is the job of a good designer. So you are going to solve that problem by using different colors, different layouts, different human psychology behaviors. You are going to apply all that in your designs. You might also need to research on your users, that what their needs are or something like that. So that is all about design, business and users and problem solving. See you soon in the next lesson.